we've shaved this down with our sander and got this down rounded. That's about what we want there, so it's going to fit inside the body good. So we want to further shape this now. So I'll use this shaping tool to shape it down a little more, and then we'll use these sanding discs to sand it down. So you can see how this shapes it down even more, shaving it down. So we're going to go completely around this, get it all shaved down, and then we'll sand it down, and then we'll be ready to put our stick in, which we still have our mark here that we put in there, so we won't lose that. Enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.